Hello friends! Imagine you're driving and suddenly your engine starts misfiring, losing power, or even running rough. You check with an obd2 scanner and it throws code P0211 Injector Circuit Malfunction, Cylinder 11. What does this mean? And more importantly, how can you fix it? Let's dive in. Diagnostic trouble code P0211 indicates that the Engine Control Module, or ECM, has detected a problem with the fuel injector circuit for cylinder 11. This can happen due to a faulty injector, broken or corroded wiring, ECM failure, or low fuel pressure. If not fixed, this can cause rough idling, poor fuel economy, and engine misfires. The exact location depends on the engine type. For V12 engines, which are common in high-performance cars, cylinder 11 is usually on the passenger side, towards the rear of the engine. The fuel injector itself is mounted on the intake manifold, connected to the fuel rail and wiring harness. There are several common causes for the P0211 error code. First, a faulty fuel injector. A clogged or damaged injector can cause fuel delivery issues. Next, wiring problems. Frayed, broken, or corroded wires can interrupt the injector signal. Another potential cause is an ECM malfunction. A failing ECM may not send the correct signals to the injector. Finally, fuel pressure issues. A weak fuel pump or a clogged filter can cause injector failure. To fix the P0211 error code, start with Step 1. Inspect the wiring and connector for cylinder 11's injector. If you find any damage, repair or replace them. Step 2. Use a multimeter to check the injector's resistance. If the resistance is out of the normal range, which is 10 to 15 ohms, you should replace the injector. Step 3. Check for voltage at the injector connector. No voltage? Well, the issue could be wiring or ECM failure. Step 4. Swap the injector with another cylinder. If the code moves, the injector is faulty and needs replacement. Ignoring P0211 can lead to engine misfires, loss of power, and high fuel consumption. Fixing it early will keep your engine running smoothly. If the problem persists, consult a professional mechanic. Want to learn more about obd2 error codes? Check out these next videos. P0141, Oxygen Sensor Heater Circuit Malfunction, Bank 1, Sensor 2, and P0142, Oxygen Sensor Circuit Malfunction, Bank 1, Sensor 3. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.